Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to build an email list for affiliate marketing using Systeme.io. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Affiliate Lead Funnel, choose Build an Audience, and click Create. This creates the basic funnel you'll use to collect email addresses. Step 2. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a clean template. Instead of promoting your affiliate product immediately, offer something valuable for free, such as an affiliate marketing checklist, a beginner's guide, a free PDF, a resource list, a mini training. Use a headline like, "Download my free affiliate marketing starter guide." Step 3. Customize your page by adding a compelling headline, a short explanation of the free resource, an image of your guide or checklist, an opt-in form asking for the visitor's name and email address, a button such as Get Instant Access. Keep the page simple and focused on collecting leads. Step 4. Create a thank you page. Thank visitors for signing up and provide access to the free resource. You can also recommend your affiliate product with a button like Check out my recommended tool. This gives visitors value first before introducing your recommendation. Step 5. Preview your funnel and test it yourself. Submit the form, make sure the contact is added successfully, and check that the thank you page displays correctly. And that's it. You've created a simple affiliate lead generation funnel in Systeme.io. If you'd like to build landing pages, sales funnels, and grow your affiliate business, check out my Systeme.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials.